Hello YouTube, underwear for animals, what exists and why is it needed? In addition to human underwear, there is also underwear for animals, so today we invite you to learn more about it from an expert. Most often, dogs need underwear. And this is not a whim, but an absolutely necessary thing, says a veterinarian and zoopsychologist. Belt for male dogs, needed to avoid marking the territory, as well as for sick and old animals suffering from urinary incontinence. The belt should not be too tight or loose, it can be worn for up to several hours. Diapers and panties for males and females, needed for sick and old animals suffering from urinary and fecal incontinence. They should also fit the size of the animal and not cause discomfort. Briefs for female dogs, needed during estrus, they become protection for furniture and carpets from strong secretions. Briefs are primarily needed when traveling, during the post-operative period and for dogs with urinary problems. When choosing underwear for your pet, you should pay attention to matching the size of the animal. Large or small underwear will lead to discomfort. Fastening. Linen can be elastic, Velcro, straps. Focus on the breed and attitude of your pet to clothes. Disposable or reusable. Reusable underwear is much more economical. Fabric quality. The best option is cotton underwear or underwear containing a large percentage of it. Synthetic underwear can lead to allergic reactions and dermatitis. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.